Hi everybody, today I tell you about general and about some button on interface and about files. So first we have bundle identifier. It is identifier which we use in iTunes Connect. Version is number of your version, build it's easy, team. Here you can choose your Apple developer account and it's mine. So next, deployment information. Here it's target, it's from which version your application will work. Now it's 9.3 and device, it's which we choose before is like iPad, iPhone or universal. Main interface, it's which file do you use for your interface builder. In our case we choose main, it's standard. And device orientation, here you can check in which orientation do you want to support your application. Now for example I want support just portrait orientation. Also we have upside down, landscape left and landscape right. So status bar, it's bar where we can see information about time, about battery. So here we have default, it's black, and also we can choose light. So hide status bar, for example if we use game we don't need to see status bar and we just check this checkbox. So next, app icons and launch image. App icon source. Here we choose which source we will be used for app icon. So here we have a list of our image, now it's empty, and we have for default one image app icon. We have different size for each goal, and here you can pass your app icon. So next, launch image source. It's a default place where we keep all our image. For example, now we have just one, and this is assets. So next launch screen file. It's a file which we see when run application. It's like splash screen. We have just now launch screen storyboard and it's one, and we use it for default. So embedded binary, it's used some library, and primers and library, it's standard apples, and here you can choose so many libraries. And for example if you want to use some feature for address book, you need address book framework and address book UI framework. So that's it, and I tell you about this button. It's standard button here which you use. And next is button run. When you prepare your application and you want run, you can press this button or combination keyboard command plus R. So next is stop your application. Here you can choose your schema, and also you can edit current schema, create new schema or manage schema. About this I tell you later. So next is you choose device on which you want to test your application. So you have many different devices like iPad, iPhone S Plus and another. Also you can choose your own device like your iPhone for testing your application, and you need to choose this. In my case, user iPhone. So next is here status, what's going on. Here we have 3 buttons. It's like a standard editor when we all screen just one. We edit just one screen, and assistant editor, for example, we can work with storyboards and code together. And last is version editor. For example, if we use GitHub or Bitbucket, we can use this screen for choose our version changes. So, and the last button is button which show and hide some blocks of your screen. So here is show hide left block. Here button, it's a block used for log and for debug. Here we use it's a right button, right block, we can show and hide. So in our project we have some files. First is Swift files where we write code. Main storyboards is file where we write your design, we make design, add some components, make constraints and another stuff. Assets is place where we must keep all our image. Launch screen storyboards, it's screen for splash or for when user load application, he see on first screen this. And info list is just settings files which we configure our project. So that's it. Thank you for your attention and see you later.